सारी पेंटिंग्स एक्चुअली अनबिलीवेबल हैं। मुझे लगा कि कोई कुछ अच्छी होंगी और शायद मुझे कुछ अच्छी लगेंगी और कुछ अच्छी नहीं लगेंगी, जैसे हमेशा एक एग्जीबिशन में होते हैं, आपके कुछ कुछ फेवरेट्स होते हैं। लेकिन इसमें ईच एंड एवरी पेंटिंग वाज अमेजिंग। आई कांट बिलीव मतलब जितना टैलेंट मुझे पता था है इनमें, उससे कहीं ज़्यादा निकला। इट वाज अमेजिंग टू सी इट। लिसन, मतलब jokes apart, I don't think you can just call her a teenager. I just think that she's so young. She's been painting for so long now. It's just amazing क्योंकि creative field में I think talent आप पैदा होते हैं उसके साथ, and clearly उनका एक example है कि she didn't have to get trained or she didn't have to wait for her to graduate. She's doing it from now, and the most beautiful thing is जिस cause के लिए कर रही हैं वो बहुत ही important है, बहुत ही ख़ास है, और इसलिए मैं यहाँ हूँ आज।
आई थिंक बहुत सुंदर पेंटिंग्स हैं और जिनको उन्होंने बनाया है वो और भी सुंदर प्रिटी लड़की मेरे साथ खड़ी हुई है। बट आई मीन आई जस्ट थिंक कि आर्ट समझने के लिए आई थिंक एक सेंस होती है विच आई थिंक ऑल ऑफ अस हैव, एंड बट आई थिंक उसके साथ अगर थोड़ी सी सोशल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी उसमें कंबाइन कर दी जाए तो और भी अच्छा है। आई थिंक what she's managed to do with not just her creativity but also her empathy, I think for other people is wonderful. अगर आप 2 dots बना दें एक blank sheet of paper, तो एक straight line try करूँगी कि बन जाए। No, but I mean I like watching good art, I like collecting good art, but मैं खुद I don't think I have the flair for it, और कभी ऐसी कोशिश भी नहीं की, तो maybe you never know, one day I might surprise myself.
Well, मैं बस ये कहना चाहूँगी कि निखार is so talented, and just seeing her work, and I think the great cause that she's doing it for at the age of 13, to even think to start an NGO, and this is her 3rd year, and I'm just here to actually wish her all the very best, and I hope she grows from strength to strength, not only in her NGO but her beautiful paintings as well. And she's also told me कि वो मुझे भी एक पेंटिंग देने वाली है। मैं एक्चुअली आई थिंक निखार की at her age when I was 15 years old, I think मेरा जो हॉबी था वो एक्टिंग था, मेरा जो पैशन था तो एक्टिंग था, and I made that my profession. So I think in that sense I was very lucky, and I think even Nikhar is going to do that. She's going to be a very talented artist.
I can't believe that she started the Samvedna Foundation when she was 13, which is amazing. At 13, I was like being a jungli on some street playing I don't know what. And it's really incredible that she's doing such amazing work. And I was learning more about the Samvedna Foundation, and I think it's incredible that they work towards enhancing the lives of slum dwellers by organizing medical camps and by sort of giving them more information about health issues, and I think just doing a lot of medical work with slum dwellers in the city. And all the artwork that Nikhar has done is going towards this particular cause, and of all the other artists who have also contributed today. So I'm very happy to be here and support her today, and it's quite cool what she's doing. I've known of her work, I've known about the foundation, but today is the first time I've met her, and I'm very happy to have met her, because it's so nice to have somebody who's so committed. And as a new member of the film industry, I'm very happy to be here to support her and support this.
Mostly my inspiration varies from different sources, but I usually paint according to what I see last. So if I see something that I find visually different or there's something unique about it, I usually paint according to that. But I usually make it really abstract, create an abstract version of it, because I personally find that a lot more appealing.
अच्छी पेंटिंग्स तो हैं आज, लेकिन उसके पीछे जो थॉट है वो और भी ज़्यादा खूबसूरत है। एक 15 साल की लड़की अगर इस सोच के साथ चलती है कि वो उसके टैलेंट के ज़रिए किसी को हेल्प कर सके, मदद कर सके, तो आई थिंक देयर इज़ समथिंग राइट जो इंडिया में हो रहा है। एंड आई एम होपिंग कि ऐसे और पेरेंट्स हों जो अपने बच्चों को कुछ बेहतरी करना सिखाएं एट सच यंग एज। brilliant, not just the paintings, लेकिन उसका जो thought process है मैं उसको ज़्यादा support करती हूँ।